The GH5 adds a highly requested feature, which is not just an auto ISO setting, but the ability to set thresholds for your low ISO point and your high ISO point. And you can do this independently for photography versus the video menu. So let me first walk you through this. So we're going to start, the camera needs to be in one of the photo modes for the beginning of this, so PAS or M is best. Once you're there, we're then going to go to page 2 of 5 of the top tab. That's your photo tab. From here you'll see a setting called ISO sensitivity for photo. We're going to select that. And you can see that our ISO setting is ISO 200. By default, it'll default to auto, but I'm going to set mine to 12,800. Now let's go ahead and do this for video. So I'm going to go to the video tab. Now I want to point something out. When I'm in the video tab, the ISO setting is grayed out. That's because I'm in a photo mode on the top of the camera right now, and this photo mode won't let me set my ISO settings for video. So what we need to do is we need to switch this to our creative movie mode. Once we're in that mode and I press menu, I'm in my movie camera tab. Now we can see ISO sensitivity video is not grayed out. I select that setting. Again, we have a low ISO point and I can set my high ISO point. And now I've got independent ISO settings for both video and photo.
Panasonic.